Hello, hello, hello. By possible evening. Hello, hello, hello. How y'all niggas doing today by possible evening? Today we're gonna know how to clean the RCA remote and how to program the remote. So I'm gonna show you after this. First you take off the everything first, you wash it. Yeah. Back clean, making sure I have to give it a nice bath. Use my possible remote, nice bath. I took off the parts already. I just moved some batteries already. Feel me? Yeah, yeah. Feel me? I have to clean it. See? It's cleaning. It's cleaning. Rinse all the dirt. Feel me? Nice and clean. You know? Check out the bath. Yeah. Check out the possible back. Feel me? Making sure that nothing. Feel me? Yeah. Uh-huh. Yeah. The remote is all settled. See, clean, wash it. Yeah, clean, wash it. Yeah. See, it's clean. Have to rinse it. Feel me? Make sure nothing, no corrosion, no nothing. I already removed the battery so earlier. So yeah. So very clean. Yeah. Feel me? Nothing. Yeah. Clean. I wash it with Clark Bagganizer. It's called hand soap refill. Feel me? And you gotta wash it. You know, RCA directv RCA. Feel me? Antenna clear and everything. Yeah. Come back and do the rest. So and clean it with sponge. And after that, feel me? Just rinse it and clean. Feel me? And after this, see how it's clean. See the back one is so rinse and nice and clean. No mess. Feel me? Yeah. Possible. I think it's possible. A brand new possible remote. I have to clean it. Possible can do anything. All y'all niggas know. Feel me? Fixing things with the remote. Feel me? Make sure it has no coffee, no nothing, no drink, no. And most niggas they be smoking weed in here. In this remote, they put some alcohol in this remote. Yeah. Brand new clean. See, all clean. Yeah. The back. Alright. And after we gotta bunch clean it out. And okay, and after you put some soap to clean it up. Easy. Like house soap and clean it up. And I have a sponge here somewhere. Okay, so we're gonna use the alcohol to clean the whiteboard. Yeah. And I'll get back to you when it's finished. Yeah. And after, we're gonna use the mid choice, and we got a cotton ball. Yeah. So I'll be right back. Let me clean this real quick, and we'll get back to you on possible. You see, I clean it nice and neat. So yeah, nice and neat. Feel me? Now I have to use a hair dryer to clean it up. Make sure no soap, nothing. Yeah. And after, Yeah. Anything is possible. I cleaned the remote, nice and neat, no dirts. I clean up nice and neat, cause of the COVID, feel me? Yeah. Alright, yeah. Okay, Possible's back. I'm back cleaning the board of the Possible remote. It says RCA, the DirectV RCA Universal Remote. Okay, Possible's back. I already cleaned everything. I cleaned the coil, the light, everything, feel me? The unit and everything. I take my time to clean it. I don't rush things. Yeah. You see, Possible can fix things. Let me tell you, all y'all niggas do. You know, if your remote is not working, remove the batteries. If you spill something like juicy, make sure to remove the batteries, take out the port, and clean it with alcohol, with some water, with soap, and everything. See? Clean. Yeah. Yo, Possible's back. See? Today, I'm using the hand conditioner to clean up the remote. Feel me? Feel me? See? It's a little bit dry up a little bit. Feel me? It's cleaning. Yeah. It's cleaning. See? Possible cleaning the remote. Yeah. Feel me? The other one is so clean. Yeah. I'm done cleaning the remote. The remote has been 100% clean already. Everything's all complete. So it's time to install some batteries in here. Yeah. Okay, we're gonna install some batteries, Kodak batteries into the Possible remote. See, it worked. Yeah.